Hey guys. Okay, so I thought, please disregard the sound of the fridge, but this is the best lighting situation we got here. I've been thinking of making this video for a while now because ever since I injured my wrist, which I should be what's the word, immobilizing, but sometimes I just gotta let it breathe, let her breathe. But anyways, I think I should take you guys on a walk with me and my dog, because that's what we've been doing almost every day since I injured my wrist, since I live in a surf town where there's pretty much just surfing. And if you're not surfing, you gotta be creative and you gotta think of other things to do. So yeah, I just took up walking and swimming. So normally I don't bring my phone with me because this is my time to check out and just like be in nature. And normally I just yeah, I don't bring anything. Oh, I need to bring my brace, my immobilizer. Wait, what? Where'd I put it? Hold on. Maybe I'll give you all a house tour, but it was literally right here. So this is my immobilizer. Also, I never bring a bag with me, but I'm gonna just expose myself and be like, I brought a bag with me today. But normally I just go empty-handed because sometimes I'll meditate. Maybe I'll try to journal. I can't even hold a pencil in my hand, so I'm like, that's funny as hell. I'm gonna bring my oracle cards and then maybe we'll pull some cards. I don't know. I need to fill up my bag because there's literally nothing in it, so. Usually I get to this point, I'm like, do I want to go to the beach first or do I want to go to the river first? But I actually feel like coming back beachside, so we're gonna choose river. Going to the river. I don't think I really talk to myself as much as I am right now. Usually when I go on these walks, I'm also like trying to be quiet and not really say much because I just want to listen to my body, if that makes sense, and listen to the surroundings. Probably like 65% of the time I'm on these walks by myself, I'm like laughing to myself because of how cute Pargo is. I don't know if it's just like because he looks like a teddy bear and he's like walking so cute, or I have no idea, but then I start getting reflections of like all the funny things that he's done. Honestly, I've never made a connection with a dog like this. Like I've always understood, you know, other people being crazy about their dogs and they're like, oh, a dog's a man's best friend, but I never experienced it myself until now, honestly. Technically, Podgo is not my dog, it's my partner's dog, but you know what? We built a connection and he's my dog. Oh my God, listen, you better calm down. This is my favorite tree here. Like, it's hard to explain if you're not here, and it's hard to see in the sunlight right now, but this tree stands out amongst the others. It just really holds its ground. And I'll be honest, I say hi to this tree every time I come here. I'm like, hey tree. Why don't we just do one for a reading? How about that? Shout out to my friend Barbie, by the way. She put me on these cards. They're really nice. Okay. Now, these Moonology cards. They're really beautiful. And I like these cards in particular because, well, one, I really don't know how to pull tarot. Second, they're kind of like, there's different oracle cards, different tarot cards that have themes that go with them. Like there's one that's like a folklore kind of like old story theme. One's about love, one's about affirmations. And I like this one because I'm always really conscious and really reactive to the moon cycles. So, and it's like, you know, it has cards that are like new moon in Gemini, like full moon, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna pull one, but just for a daily reading, right? Me not supposed to do this without my immobilizer, but listen, like, look at this weak ass wrist. She's strong. Is she hanging in there? Those are my affirmations for my wrist today.
She's strong. Well, let's see what we got here. Hello, guys.
So this is what I ended up pulling. All I really asked for was just some guidance or some food for thought, something to meditate on for the day, something to think about. You know, I didn't really ask for any kind of specific questions or advice or anything, but this is what came up. New moon in Pisces, meditate and contemplate. Vámonos! Just came to the beach, did not take the normal route that I walk because I felt like going for a dip, and it was really nice. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.